Performing routine maintenance on the Vermeer LS3600TX low-speed shredder is essential to process contaminated waste streams efficiently. Thanks to the many designers, engineers, and product experts at Vermeer, the LS3600TX was built to make routine maintenance easier for operators. Before performing any maintenance on your machine, consult the operators and maintenance manuals for safety messages and detailed instructions. Now, let's review the many intuitive design elements that make the LS3600TX easier to maintain. Let's start in the engine bay. The LS3600TX features easy access to the engine bay from both sides, thanks to large access doors and a convenient ladder. Perform daily maintenance with ease, and for bigger projects, the entire engine enclosure can be removed. A handy grease chart highlights the grease points and the recommended maintenance intervals, making upkeep more efficient. These features facilitate efficient engine bay servicing while prioritizing operator comfort, making maintenance tasks easy and convenient. Let's move to the rotor box. It's designed for easy access, so you can stand or kneel comfortably while working on the rotor teeth, tip mounts, and comb teeth. Regular checks help maintain optimal performance and prevent excessive wear. Working on the belly conveyor is also simplified. The LS3600TX's belly belt design allows for quick changes without needing to remove the discharge conveyor, cutting downtime from days to just 1 hour. The overband magnet offers infinite maneuverability, making it easier to lower or move out of the way for maintenance. Fluid levels are easily accessible via ladder points, and the air cleaner restriction indicator provides a clear signal when filters need replacing. Now, let's move to the underside of the air filter housing. You'll see a plastic push-button gauge that moves with resistance. When it hits the red zone, the filters are clogged and need replacing. This gauge is easy to see and simplifies maintenance. Now, let's check the air cleaner's primary element. It's easy to access with a simple clasp design for quick cleaning. The air cleaner has both primary and secondary elements. Clean the primary filter when the indicator shows or every 250 hours. The swing-open cooling package design makes maintenance straightforward and hassle-free. Regular inspection and cleaning of the rotor bearing housing, even though it's self-cleaning, helps maintain peak performance. A clean machine is a happy machine. With undercarriage clearance and easy access to all components, maintaining the LS3600TX is simple and quick. More uptime, less upkeep. Just another advantage of the Vermeer LS3600TX. For more information on the LS3600TX low-speed shredder or other recycling and forestry equipment, reach out to your local Vermeer dealer.